Welcome. As you begin to settle into this moment, imagine yourself stepping into a quiet landscape. A wide valley nestled between soft mountains. Warm light brushing the tops of tall grasses. A gentle breeze moving in slow, steady waves. Everything in this place breathes easily. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is forced. The world is simply allowed to be. We explore this same quality within ourselves and within the relationships we hold dear. The spacious, soothing, deeply healing practice of allowing. 1. Understanding allowing a spacious kind of love. Allowing is one of the 5 keys to mindful loving, described by psychologist David Richo. It means giving others and yourself the freedom to be who you truly are. Not who you should be. Not who someone else wants you to be. Not the version shaped by fear or perfectionism. Allowing says, I see you. I respect your path. I don't need to mold you, push you, or contain you. It is the opposite of control. The opposite of walking on eggshells. The opposite of demanding that love follow a specific script. Allowing is love without tightness. Love without tension. Love that breathes. Allowing is not just a poetic idea. It is a science-backed foundation for healthy relationships. Neuroscience shows that people open up when they feel safe. Safety grows when we are accepted, not criticized. Welcomed, not reshaped. Understood, not analyzed. Autonomy is authentic connection. Self-determination theory and attachment research both reveal the same truth. Humans thrive when they have autonomy. We feel more connected when we feel more free. Lower stress responses. When we are allowed to be ourselves, the nervous system calms. Cortisol lowers. Defensiveness softens. The body signals, it's okay here. I don't have to protect myself. Secure attachment. Secure relationships, the healthy ones, aren't built on control. They are built on trust, curiosity, openness, and space. Allowing is the soil where secure attachment can grow. Allowing is not passive. It is a deeply active practice of emotional maturity. A steady hand. A compassionate presence. A heart that can hold the truth without trying to twist it. 3. Why allowing matters: the heart of growth. Allowing matters because every meaningful relationship, no matter how strong, needs room to breathe. Here's why. 1. Allowing keeps love honest. When people feel free, they show up authentically. Love becomes choice, not obligation. 2. Allowing removes pressure. No one thrives under emotional force. Pressure makes people hide or pull away. 3. Allowing encourages growth. Humans evolve at different rhythms. Allowing honors the pace of each person's journey. 4. Allowing nourishes peace. You no longer carry the burden of fixing, managing, or directing other people's lives. 5. Allowing fosters deeper trust. When love is spacious, connection becomes more stable, not less. Allowing is not about giving up. It is about loosening the grip, so the relationship can breathe and transform instead of breaking under tension. Let's talk about when a romantic partner needs solitude. Sometimes a partner retreats, needing quiet. Old fears may echo. Are they losing interest? Did I do something wrong? Allowing means trusting their rhythm. Trusting that space is not rejection. Trusting that solitude is a natural part of being human. Say gently, "I'm here when you're ready." Then give them the time they seek. Most often, they return more grounded, more open, more present. Are you experiencing an estranged family member? Family relationships can be complicated. Sometimes contact grows distant. Sometimes misunderstandings pile up. Sometimes estrangement occurs. Allowing means, I accept that the relationship is where it is right now. Not forcing a reunion. Not blaming yourself for someone else's limitations. Not demanding closeness that isn't possible. The solution may be to hold compassion without pushing. Send love without expectation. Allow the relationship to unfold or not without losing your peace. A friend who has changed. Friendships shift over time. Life pulls people in different directions. Someone who once felt close may now feel far away. Allowing says, I won't grip tightly or force us to be who we used to be. I allow this friendship to evolve. Be open to new rhythms. Let the connection reshape naturally. Stay warm but unattached to old versions. When someone you care about is healing from loss, or navigating emotional pain, or working through anxiety or uncertainty, you want to help. You want to speed up their healing. But forcing healing only deepens wounds. Offer presence, not pressure. Encourage gently without urgency. Allow their growth to follow its own timing. Let's talk about allowing ourselves. We often deny ourselves the very freedom we offer others. We pressure ourselves to be perfect, to have all the answers, to heal faster, to never make mistakes. Allowing yourself means saying, I am allowed to grow slowly. I am allowed to feel what I feel. I am allowed to be imperfect. I am allowed to simply be human. Talk to yourself with tenderness. Remove the deadlines from your healing. Let your evolution be organic, not forced. Here are simple ways to invite more allowing into your life. Listen fully. Not to respond but to understand. Release expectations. Notice where you're trying to steer someone emotionally. Provide space. Give people room to breathe, process, and return on their own. Let emotions exist. Yours and theirs without correction. Accept imperfections. Humans are beautiful because they are unfinished. Trust the unfolding. Every relationship has its own rhythm. Let go of the fantasy of should. Replace it with the reality of what is. Offer grace. Allow mistakes. Allow differences. Allow humanity. Allowing is a lifelong practice. You don't have to get it perfect. You only have to return to openness again and again. Embrace the freedom of a spacious heart. Come back now to the image of that open valley. Wide and peaceful. Soft with movement. A landscape that welcomes everything exactly as it is. This is the heart of allowing. A love that releases pressure. A love that replaces fear with trust. A love that honors the individuality of each soul. A love that creates space for real connection to grow. Allowing does not weaken love. It strengthens it. It turns affection into acceptance, attachment into presence, and relationships into living, breathing, evolving journeys. May you carry this spaciousness with you into your relationships, into your healing, and into the quiet places of your own heart. You are allowed to be exactly as you are, and others are allowed to be exactly who they are. And in that space, love becomes free. Love becomes honest. Love becomes real.